How to turn on Magene C606 Climbpro.
Open your OneLabFit app. Connect your Magene C606. Scroll down and click Climb Planning. Here you can see your Climbpro interface. You can customize this to part. Click Save. Go to your Magene C606 settings. Scroll down and find Climbpro. Make sure your Climbpro is on. You can now use your Climbpro. You need to add a route file, and the Magene will use the data from your route, so the Climbpro will automatically show up when there's a climb ahead. Enjoy your climbing!